Hey.
Oh, hey! Do you want to chat non-GMO for a second?
Absolutely. Is that a real thing?
Yes!
At wherever it comes from, we know that certification can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be.
We've been a trusted name in food verification for over 30 years, and we're proud to serve as an approved technical administrator for the Non-GMO Project.
One more time. Okay. And here's the stat worth knowing. More than 70% of consumers say the Non-GMO Project Verified label builds trust.
We help you earn that trust quickly and clearly. Our goal is to make the process as easy as possible for you.
That means fast turnaround times.
Transparent pricing.
And your own dedicated account manager.
To walk you through every step of the way. Most non-GMO verifications take just a few weeks, and if you need to move faster, we offer expedited options.
You can also bundle your non-GMO certifications with other claims like organic, upcycle certified, animal welfare, or care to strengthen your brand and streamline your audits.
We're here to help you grow, meet demand, and stay ahead of evolving food regulations with service that's personal,
practical, and proven. I'm Vinod Nayaga.
And I'm Hannah Saunders,
and we're
with Where Food Comes From.
And we look forward to working with you. And we look forward to working with you. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Oh, sorry.
Do we need to do
Pointed too soon.
Hey.
Is that my line? That's yours.
Well, no, yours is next.